How to remove WhatsApp number on Facebook page. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can remove WhatsApp number on Facebook page. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, launch the Facebook application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, in order to switch to your Facebook page, tap on your profile icon at the top right with three-line icon. Here next to your profile name, switch to your Facebook page. So once you're on your home page, again tap on the profile icon of this page at the top left just below the home icon. You'll be taken into this page. Here next to the advertise button, there is three-dot icon, tap on it. And from this page settings, here you have to tap on edit action button. And there, if you have added your WhatsApp number, there is an option to remove it with an option as send WhatsApp message. So in order to remove your number, simply tap on remove button. And with that, now your number is removed from your Facebook page. And that's how you can remove WhatsApp number on Facebook page. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.